Divas and gents, this is White Eye Diva back again with another video. If you saw the previous video already, I was talking about, this regular mask, everyday mask to wear outside when you're around people, just so you can have that protection for yourself. But I also want to do a separate video today talking about a special mask, which is an N95 mask that I got from Envo Mask. I don't know if you guys know, but I work in the medical field, and especially now where N95 masks in the hospital are kind of a shortage nowadays. It's good to have something that you can buy for yourself that's reusable, so you can have that extra protection when you're working in the OR. This mask that I'm going to present to you is an unboxing, so I just got it in the mail a couple of days ago. And I kind of ripped open the box. It took a little while to get here. I'll say about, don't expect it to come like in a week. Give it at least, I say 3 to 4 weeks to get to you, because it's a long processing process to get it sent to you. So I unboxed it here, and this is the box here. It's Envo Mask, and this is, like I said, it's an N95 mask. It's reusable. It comes with at least 5 filters in it, and I believe the price of this was, it had to be between $90 for this, around there. But like I said, girl, I never remember the prices, so I'll make sure I post it somewhere on the screen for you guys. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is the casing for it. It's a nice hard casing to keep your mask in. It comes with the user instructions on how to use the item. It comes with that. It comes with the strap around your ears. And this is the mask. So this is the mask here. As you can see, around the mouth area is like a gel, a nice cool gel. So once putting it on, it's going to feel extremely comfortable around your mouth area, and plus seals in, the seal around your face perfectly. This piece here, I believe you'll put the filter in here, I believe, and I have the filters right here. These are the filters, and it comes with at least 5, guys, which is pretty good. So it comes with at least 5 filters. So we're gonna take one of these out and find out together how to put it in. Okay, so this is what the filter looks like. So I believe you put the filter in here. That's what it looks like on that extra piece that was hanging off. And then I believe you snap it. Okay. Okay, so you strap it on, and you just put it around your mouth area. And then you attach these little straps to it. Really essential. I will say if you work, especially in the OR, this will be, useful for you to have, especially if you work as an anesthesiologist where you're working very close quarters with the patient, or if you work as a doctor that's an ENT doctor. This will be very essential, but it's also going to be essential for, nurses or any OR staff that's actually in the OR room, just to give you that extra protection, having your own N95 mask that have its own reusable filters. It comes with 5 of them. So I feel like this is like a must for those who work in the hospital settings. I work in a hospital setting, so this is something I will just use just when I'm doing when I'm in the surgery room. So when you're in close quarters with patients. So I mean, it's very comfortable to put on. It stays strapped on, and like I said, it comes with the quick fit headgear, that is called, that you can put on. Yeah, so here's the strap. And here's a strap that goes over your ear area. And I believe you're supposed to loop these through these tabs here to adjust it around your ear area. So I'm gonna try to figure this out, and I'll be right back. And here it goes, guys. I adjusted it here. So basically I'm gonna show you how to put this together. So basically these tabs you have to put through this hole here. There's like a little hole where this goes through. So let me see if I can take one of them out. Okay, so this is out. So you see how see that little tab right there that I'm pointing at with the earpiece? So you're gonna put this through here very easily. Just put that through and just slide through there. Now that's in there. I already put the other one on the other side on there already. So once you have that in there, what you're gonna do is grab both pieces here. And mind you, it comes with this drawstring piece. So once you put these pieces around your ear, you're gonna adjust it with this to tighten around your head area and to tighten around your face. So you're just gonna put it like this. Put the other side right on top of your ear. Then you're gonna put the mask on. Now this piece here is gonna go behind you. So you're gonna put that behind you, right? And then after, you're gonna adjust that string to tighten around your face area with the mask. So you're gonna tighten that to your comfortability, of course, and make sure this is around your ear. Mine's up popped off a little bit. And just adjust it so that I can go back. So yeah, so it's strapped around the back of your ear for the most part. That's how it works. Yeah, so I will say this is a very essential mask to have. Like I said, especially if you work in the medical field and you work in the OR rooms, working in close quarters with patients, this would be a useful item to have. Just have to do some minor adjustings to this, but for the most part, this is how it should work for you. Yeah, so that's that with that. I hope you guys found this video helpful, especially for, you know, I want to thank all our nurses and doctors on the front lines at the coronavirus. Hopefully this video will benefit you guys, especially because we all know that there's shortages of the N95 masks in certain, you know, hospitals nowadays. So having something like this to protect yourself in the OR, especially when you're dealing with corona patients, will be beneficial for you guys. So I hope this video has been helpful, and if you like this video, guys, please make sure to hit like and subscribe and share so other people can actually see this video and it may be something helpful for them to have, not only for, you know, doctors, but anybody can buy this mask, N95 mask, if they want that extra protection. But I feel that having an N95 mask for people who work in a hospital is very essential and very much needed to protect us from the coronavirus that's going on nowadays. So I hope you guys once again found this video helpful, and I'll catch you again in my other video. Bye.